Hello, welcome back to ReapingWhatYouSow. If it's your first time here, my name is Jason. I'm doing a tool review today. Two tools as a matter of fact. An Ingco blower and a grinder. Cordless. Stick around. Okay, so this is the box the grinder came in. Yeah, blower came in. This is the box the grinder came in. So this is the tube for the blower. This is the blower. This is the blower. Came with a charger and a battery. The grinder came, just the grinder alone, it didn't come with any battery, it was a bare tool. So I bought another battery. The battery is interchangeable as well, so this is the grinder. Just what's in the box. Your pulley handle and the tool to take off and put on the plate. So I bought some discs for the grinder as well. Two cutting this and one grinding this. Manual here with the blower. Alright, nice. So check to make sure the battery is fully charged by pressing this here. Yes, it's fully charged. Slap it on. And good to go. Alright. Now the tube for the blower is 2-piece. So I line up this notch. Slide it in. Now I don't think I'll be separating this again because this is looking kind of easy to break, so you know, right? I'm being honest, the quality feeling kind of light, kind of flimsy, but we will see how it's performing. I mean, for 7 something, that was the original price, but I get for 5 something. Can't go wrong. So just slide in like this, and I turn and it's locked. So we have some leaves on the ground and this mango tree, and I just go and get a little test to see how it's performing. Not bad. Not bad at all. So we try it on some grass and see. Can we get on grass? Not bad at all. So for this test, I'm going to see how long the battery will last. So that little plastic bag you see in there, that will squeeze down the trigger. So right, the timer will start now. So we're approaching 10 minutes and power started to die off. You can barely hear anything. Still blowing. Alright, so let me say 10 minutes. I'll check it over in the edit and the proper time will be there. So I'll stop it now. Yeah, stop it now. So pressing the indicator and there's nothing, no juice. The battery hot. Hope I didn't mash up the battery. But at least I didn't damage the battery. It's still charging. So the battery that I used before on the blower to blow the leaves on the grass, I will now use it on the grinder to cut the chain. So after cutting the chain and blowing the leaves for a little while, this is the charge. If you notice, the first one nearest to my thumb, the light is a little dimmer, so it's not fully charged, just a little bit went out of it. So in my humble opinion, this is value for money. So this is the invoice or the bill, whatever you want to call it, for the grinder and the cutting this and so on. I paid a total of $703. So that would be the grinder and the extra battery and the cutting this. This is just for the blower, and the blower came with the charger and the battery. The grinder was just a bare tool, so no battery. So in total I spent $1,262. Now I can't speak to how long it would last or how durable it is, but if you're looking for a start, let me say you now start doing landscaping or you're a workman that now start, the blower is value for money. It's working. I mean, I use it on a job already, and the rake time was lessened. The ground was kind of wet. As a matter of fact, I'll show you that footage now. The ground was wet and it was still blowing the leaves. So, you know, now the battery lasts 10 minutes. Let me say 10 minutes. It already started dying down about 9 minutes. But if you're not using a blower for 10 minutes constant, you understand? So to me, that is value for money. And I have 2 batteries, so let me say I have 20 minutes of blowing. That is real blowing. I didn't intend to blow so much. So I don't know how durable it will be and how long it will last, but I am impressed. I am happy that I spent $1,262 of a blower and a cordless grinder. You have no cord, you have no current, you have no electricity where you are, that grinder will come in handy. And the blower will come in handy for me because it's taking less time to rake up and clean up. So to me, that is value for money. So Ingco, I'm impressed. Take about half an hour to charge back. So I find that good. That good to me, you know. I find that real good. There's a bigger battery that they sell as well that will give you more time. It's supposed to be double the time, so I intend to invest in that as well. I intend to get an impact driver, you know, with a little hammer in it so I could drill and, you know, drill concrete and so on. It's the perfect option for a beginner, for somebody who just starting, in my opinion. And this is not a sponsored video. I don't feel Kelvin Gani hit me no dust. This is not a sponsored video, right? Nice. So big up G3 hardware, big up Kelvin Gani, big up Ingco. Also, the batteries from the Ingco will work on the total and the M-top. They have what they call a universal pin. I'm not sure if universal would apply to the other brands, the big brands, but it will work on those 3 for sure. So if you have a total drill or whatever it is, you're supposed to be good to go. So thanks again for watching. This is Jason, signing out.